IB Masters Learning Center at IBMasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 2, Section 1, Number 3, which reads, during the course of the first paragraph, the narrator's focus shifts from what to what. It's a giant first paragraph. Let's begin to read. We're not going to read the whole thing. Line 1. No man likes to acknowledge that he has made a mistake in his choice of profession, and every man worthy of the name will row long against wind and tide before he allows himself to cry out, I am baffled, and submits to be floated passively back to land. From the first week in my residence in X, I felt my occupation irksome. So what do we get here? We get, sounds like he's making a general statement, no man. And then what's he go? He goes from there to, from the first week of my residence in X, I felt my occupation irksome. Then he sounds like he's starting to talk about his own scenario. So when we go to the answer choices, why don't take that with us. Now, you might not suspect that you have the answer already, because really early on in the passage, in the paragraph, you'd expect it to be somewhere in the middle, which is kind of the curveball that the College Board throws at you here. But in the answer choice A, recollection of past confidence to acknowledgement of present self-doubt. We do not get any past confidence there. He's like, no one likes to admit that he chose the wrong profession. It sounds bad. Not good right from the start. And then I felt my occupation irksome. His own situation, not good. Bad start there as well. No past confidence there. So A is gone. Answer choice B. Reflection on his experience of life as a tradesman to his desire for another job. If we look at the end of the paragraph, I'll just read the last sentence of the paragraph here. But this was not all. The antipathy, which is almost as strong as hatred, which had sprung up between myself and my employer, striking deeper root and spreading denser shade daily, excluded me from every glimpse of the sunshine of life, and I began to feel like a plant growing in human darkness out of the slimy walls of a well. He's not saying, hey, I want to do this other job instead, so B is gone. So no desire for another job. Answer choice C. Generalization about job dissatisfaction. No man likes to acknowledge he's made a mistake in his choice of profession. To the specifics of his own situation, I felt my occupation irksome. Answer choice C looks like it's going to be the correct answer. And if we look at answer choice D, evaluation of factors making him unhappy. So we do get several things. We didn't read much on the paragraph, but in the middle of that paragraph, he's talking about all the things that he hates to identification of alternatives. We don't get an identification of alternatives, and D is gone. Again, at the end of the paragraph, he's talking about him and his boss hate each other. Correct answer here is C. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with these shift and focus questions. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.